Hi there. Are you wondering how to get your clients to provide valuable reviews on Google? Welcome to our tutorial on creating a direct link for reviews on your Google Business Profile and why it is a game changer. In our tech-savvy world, online reviews play a major role in shaping a business reputation. Potential customers rely heavily on these reviews to make informed decisions about whether or not to engage with your company. They are like referrals on steroids. Reviews increase your visibility online and can even improve your search rankings. That's why it is essential for businesses to proactively collect and showcase positive feedback from happy customers. One of the most popular platforms for online reviews is Google My Business. Having a strong presence on Google with positive reviews can greatly impact your business visibility and credibility. And the best part is, it's free. To make it easier for your clients to write reviews, Google provides a feature that allows you to create a direct link, which takes them straight to the review section of your Google Business Profile. This eliminates any unnecessary steps and simplifies the process for your clients, increasing the likelihood of them leaving a review. We are going to walk you through the exact steps to generate this client-friendly review link. Trust me, it is easier than tying your shoelace. First, log in to your Google My Business account. Once you are in, open Google Search and search for your business profile, and click on Ask for Reviews. From here, you'll find a few options to share the review form or copy the link. Next, put a thoughtful message together, attach the link, and ask your client to give it a rating on your service or product. By sharing this link directly with your clients through email, text messages, or even on your website, you will encourage them to write reviews effortlessly. Remember this, the more positive online reviews you accumulate, the greater the chances of attracting new customers. That's it for today's tutorial on how to create a link for your clients to write a review on your Google Business Profile. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more marketing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.